Theoretical knowledge is vital, but practical application is where real skills are forged. Welcome to the Cyber Warriors HQ Simulated Lab. I'm Cypher. Today, we're moving from theory to simulation. To truly defend a network, you must learn to observe an attack in a controlled environment. We'll set up a sandbox environment, launch a controlled simulation, and analyze the resulting traffic to see exactly how our defense tools respond. Rule number 1, never test on a production network. We use an isolated sandbox to ensure that our simulations never impact live systems. Our lab architecture consists of an attacker VM and a target VM, bridged by a virtual firewall. This allows us to inspect every packet that moves between them. With our lab active, we launch a controlled scan. We're watching for service discovery, the same first step an attacker takes. By capturing the traffic, we can see the fingerprint of the scan. We're looking for unusual flags and patterns that signal a reconnaissance attempt. Now, we check our tools. Does the firewall log the scan? Does our monitoring system flag the unusual volume? This is how we validate our defense. A successful lab tells you exactly where your gaps are. If your tools didn't see the simulation, they won't see the real thing. Adjust, retest, and refine. Isolation, observation, and validation. These are the pillars of a professional security lab. Master the lab and you'll master the network. This concludes our foundational series for Cyber Warriors HQ. You have the tools, you know the threats, and you've seen the lab. The mission is yours. Stay sharp.